Welcome to Virtual Lab. Virtual Lab is an immersive online and offline simulation platform that enables students, educators and researchers to perform real experiments anytime, anywhere, using interactive 2D and 3D graphics. All the power of a real lab right on your device. Let us learn about scaffolding through virtual activity. Initially drag the fence and drop it around the building. Place the wooden plates above the ground level. Drag the base plate and drop it on wooden plates. Then drop the standards near the base plate, so that it is connected to the base plate. Drag and drop ledgers near standard. It connects to standards horizontally. Use hammer to fix the ledger firmly with standard. Now drag the plank and drop it on the ledgers. This acts as a working platform. Then place the cross braces on the standard in inclined position. Again use hammer for fixing the cross braces with standard. Finally drag and drop the temporary stair with guardrail for vertical movement. Scaffolding is erected as per the given instructions.